pork sausage, and wilted spinach. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking our simple air fryer pork stuffed mushrooms. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Let's talk mushroom anatomy. Here is the stem, and this is the hat or cap of the mushroom. Remove stem from each mushroom. Mince the stems and set them aside. Back to mushroom anatomy, these are the gills. If you choose, you can remove the gills by using a spoon. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other mushroom recipes. If you enjoy our recipes, subscribe and click on notifications to stay current on new recipes. Over medium heat, spray a skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Place minced mushroom stems into the skillet. Saute and cook 3 minutes. Mince garlic. Stir in garlic and cook 1 minute. Roughly chop spinach. Add spinach to the skillet. Combine and cook until wilted. 2 to 3 minutes. Remove spinach from heat. What other veggies do you eat stuffed? Tell us. We would love to cook them in a future episode. Place cooked rice into a food processor. Also add pork sausage, egg, salt and pepper. Process on high 30 seconds to 1 minute. Place meat mixture into a large bowl. Add spinach mixture too. Fully combine. Don't forget to like and share this recipe. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Stuff the inside. Of each mushroom hat. Top with cheese and cook in the air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Remove from air fryer and serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.